Hey guys, Jeff here with GYEON USA, and today we're going to take a closer look at GYEON Q² Mohs EVO, the legend reinvented. So what's new about the GYEON EVO line of paint coatings? Everything. Every single formulation has been improved to offer a leap forward in durability, chemical resistance, and user experience. Q² Mohs is a long-running workhorse in the GYEON coating lineup. It's one of the first coatings I ever installed and something I'm very attached to. But I'm happy to report that Mohs EVO is better in every single way. It's a highly technical, unique formula and a real first in the car care industry. Mohs EVO is not an infused product. There's nothing floating in your bottle. Mohs EVO is a fluorine-modified polysilazane. I'll say that again. It's a fluorine-modified polysilazane. And that's not to say that there's any fluorine in the actual formula. Fluorine is used in the precursor stage to modify the polysilazane molecules as they're building the coating. This leads to amazing performance characteristics and an install that is silky smooth. So what does a fluoro-modified polysilazane-based ceramic coating mean to you, the end consumer? It offers a level of chemical resistance that allows the hydrophobic properties of this coating to last longer than anything we've seen before. Think the surface feel and water behavior of Duraflex and Synchro in a single layer, easy to install ceramic coating whose properties last for years even with subpar maintenance. Now let's explore the application. Mohs EVO is beyond easy to apply. It's designed in a single layer that offers at least 36 months durability. The first step is to always make sure that any oils and lubricants from a previous detailing or polishing stage are properly removed. Perform a degreasing wash if necessary and a final wipe down with Q2M prep. Apply a generous amount of Mohs EVO to the included microfiber applicator. The trick to Mohs EVO is to make sure you put enough material on the finish and then not overwork that material once it's applied. Make sure you put a thick, wet layer of coating on the paint, as Mohs is going to give you a very clear working signal when it's ready to be removed. I like to work in a shoulder width, roughly 2 by 2 foot working area. I run a center line left to right, and then spread off that center line up and down, tightening up my edges at the end. The perfect time to remove Mohs EVO is when the product starts to sweat or bead. This will happen within 30 seconds of the material being on the finish, so if you overwork the product, you'll miss this signal. Mohs EVO is designed around efficiency. A 30 ml bottle in a single layer application is designed to go as far as a 50 ml used to. So for any 2-door or 4-door car, 30 ml is plenty. If you're doing multiple layers or a larger vehicle, jump up to the 50 ml bottle. For removal, use at least 2 high-quality microfiber towels. We recommend the GYEON Bald Wipe and Soft Wipe. I like the Bald Wipe for my initial removal and the Soft Wipe to pick up any excess material. Now that you've successfully applied Mohs EVO to your paint, you've got the most technically advanced ceramic coating on the market, offering gloss, protection, and an unrivaled durability of its hydrophobic effect. Enjoy.